Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Docs or the search bar, paste the text you want to check. You do this because Google analyzes context, not just single words. Once pasted, make sure each paragraph is separated. Punctuation and spacing affect grammar detection. You should enable spell check in settings if it's off. This first step prepares the content so corrections are relevant. Without clean input, suggestions may misinterpret your sentences and offer inaccurate fixes. Now run Google's grammar checker by choosing Tools, then Spelling and Grammar, then check Grammar. Alternatively, click highlighted underlines. You review suggestions one by one because automated fixes can change nuance or voice. When a suggestion appears, right-click to see alternatives and a brief explanation. This helps you understand why a change is proposed. Make sure to accept only changes that preserve meaning. Edit manually if the suggestion is close but not perfect. Finish by reading your revised text aloud to check flow, tone, and clarity. You'll catch issues the checker missed. If a suggested correction breaks your intended meaning, press undo or revert and rephrase the sentence manually, because human judgment beats automation on nuance. If Google misses errors, simplify complex sentences or split them. Shorter sentences yield better automated results. One troubleshooting tip: if suggestions stop appearing, confirm spellcheck/grammar is enabled and reload the document to reset the tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.